Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and we are back yet again for our technical exercise series, and this is exciting because we are book 1, group 2, exercise 12. That means we have completed 2 groups now. We are all the way to the end of group 2 today. So before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching this video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel, and always feel free to share the videos with your friends and families. Oh, that's right. So we are exercise 12. Congratulations. All right, today we're going to be working a little more on our C scale and our chords in the left hand. So we're going to have both hands are going to start in C position, but our right hand is going to be going up and doing a whole scale here, and the left hand is going to be playing chords in this area. So I'm going to show you the right hand first, and then we will work on putting them together. Okay, so right hand, as I said, it's going to start here, and we're going to play a C scale. Hopefully you know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to put a link right here that teaches you how to play a C scale. But if you've been playing through all these exercises, you should know how to play a C scale by now. Okay, so here's what the right hand does. We're just going to go up that C scale on C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Then we're going to keep our hand right here with our third finger, where we're going to play A, C, then we're going to play G with our 2. All right, now all we're going to do is we're going to take our thumb and move it down to this E and move our third finger to G, and we're going to play E and G for a whole note like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to play F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be totally fine if you play those with different fingers. Another way you could do that would just be the 1 and 2. That would be the least amount of movement. Or you could even move your hand back to C position and play the E, G, F, G, E, G. Any combination, any fingers you want to play those last intervals with is no problem. Okay, that's the first line. Then the next line starts the same. We're going to come, if you haven't moved already, we're back down to middle C. And we're going to play C scale again. C, D, E, tuck your thumb to F, G, A, B, C. Our 3 is going to play that A, C, 2 on G. Now we're going to start back up on the C, and we're going to come down with our C scale like this. C, B, A, G, F, cross 3 to E, D, C. Then we're going to play D. We're going to take our thumb, reach it down to B, and then I would bring your 2 down to play the C. But if you want to bring your thumb back up to B, that's fine too. You could do it like this also. D, B, C. I really prefer the D, B, C. That's how I play it. But the other way is okay too. All right, so I'm going to play that through just counting, well, a little more smoothly, like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the right hand. Let's look at the left. So we're going to start with a C chord, which is just C, E, G. We're going to play that for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to play an F chord. This might be a new one for you. I don't think we've done it yet in our exercises together. It's F chord. It's just going to be C, F, and A for 2 beats. 1, 2. Then we're going to move back to the C chord for 2 beats. 3, 4. Then the left hand's going to play a C scale coming up like this. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Then we're going to play B, G, C. We're going to move our hand back to the C chord for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. F chord, 1, 2. C chord, 3, 4. C chord again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do G7. You should know this one. It's just B, F, G for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, ready to put it together? Let's see what happens. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Start again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down this time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. It's a cute little song. So there you go. We are fit as a fiddle and ready to go now. We've made it all the way to number 12. Well done. Let me know how you're doing in the comments and if you're enjoying these exercises. And if everybody likes them, I guess we're going to move on and we're going to start learning group 3. All right, so thank you so much, friends. If you found this video helpful, remember, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this video out, and I will see you next week for group 3. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.